When you manage a transport fleet, you've got a lot on your hands. You have to keep your journeys on schedule, your trucks on the most suitable routes, and your cargo secure. You have to stay in touch with your drivers and stay compliant with tachograph and driver's hours regulation. Then there's the fuel and maintenance costs to get under control. Plus the crucial safety of your vehicles and drivers, and those insurance claims you need to handle, sometimes even when your driver wasn't at fault. Wouldn't it be easier to have one platform where you could do it all? This is where the Webfleet fleet management solution can help. From one simple interface, you can manage your daily schedule, see the position and status of your trucks and trailers, monitor your tires, communicate with your drivers on the road, automate your tachograph downloads, and keep track of your remaining driving times. Meanwhile, real-time data on fuel consumption and driving behavior helps you run a more cost-effective and safer operation. And our integrated dashcam technology safeguards your drivers and fleet. That's why over 50,000 companies worldwide use Webfleet to get visibility over every aspect of their operation, from the fuel in the tank to the tires on the road to the driver behind the wheel of every truck in their fleet. So why not join them? Trust Europe's #1 fleet management solution to help you cut costs, stay compliant, increase safety, and reduce downtime, giving you more time to concentrate on growing your business. Let's drive business further.